What if you had ChatGPT functions on your browser? Hello, I'm Bruno EO, and in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to have AI like ChatGPT boost your browsing. Let's jump in. This video is broken down into two. The first is for those that use Chrome, while the other is for those that use Microsoft Edge. Let's begin with Chrome. Now we have our Chrome browser right here. What we can do is to go to our browser and type in Chrome extensions. When you're in the Chrome Web Store, simply enter Merlin. Merlin brings you to this page, and you can choose this option right here. Choose the option, and you go here and you add to Chrome. You add extension. Okay, now it's adding to Chrome, as you can see at the bottom. It's adding, and it's complete at this point. And it says it has been added to your browser. You can see right here, it's been successfully added to my browser. Now, I'm going to go to this tab here, and let's go to, let's say I want to go to my Gmail, for instance. And as you can see, I'm in my Gmail, okay? I'm in a new message on my Gmail. Okay, what can do is to start the action of Merlin. Click on or hold Control and M. You see right here, it pops up, it says sign into Merlin. Okay, I'll do that right away. It says login using either you create an ID for yourself, you sign up, or you log in using your Google account. So once you sign in or you sign up with Merlin, this is what you have. It tells you here, this is the free tier, and your allowance is right here. You can get the pro if you want, but the Merlin free version is just fine for you. So let's go back to our email or Gmail right there. We're right here. You can see right here that now Merlin is activated. Okay, so we can ask Merlin anything here. Let's say, write me an email to my manager requesting, my manager called John, right? Requesting the day off, or the day off today. Let's correct this, right? Let's say my name is Josh, and I want you to write me, okay? To write me. Let's do that and see what Merlin gives to us. Okay, now we have asked this question, and let's click on enter. Okay, you can see right here it says Merlin is casting its spell. Okay, you see what it says here? Now it's generating the email. You see right here? This is the email Merlin has generated for us. So we can simply go here and highlight it and use Control C to copy it, or we can simply go here and copy right here. Let's copy it right away. And then we can paste it in our email and type a recipient address here. Let's see, john.health.gov, okay, .com. I will send it, right? So that's it. Then it's gone through with your subject as you want to add, and then that's done. So you see that Merlin has superpowers here. Merlin can do several things. You can actually request Merlin to do several tasks for you. So let's give another example here. Okay, let's say we want to say Control M, Merlin comes back up. So the command, like we know, guys, is Control M for Merlin. Okay, M for Merlin. So let's go here and write here. Write me an essay on how to develop the banking industry. Oh my God, what's happening to me? Industry in the UK. And then you can click on enter, and then Merlin starts to generate results. Okay, so this is Merlin as well, writing you pages of this essay. Okay, Merlin is still generating. Okay, I'm scrolling down, still generating. Okay, and that's the end of it. If, for example, you have a couple of results displayed here, Merlin, you have the ability to scroll through the pages with these arrows here, back and forth, to go through the pages. Okay, so that is Merlin for you guys, and that is for the Chrome browsers. Now, what do we have on Microsoft Edge? This is explosive, guys. And so let's switch to our Microsoft Edge right away. Now, this is Microsoft Edge, and I'm sure this looks like a different page altogether. Now, if you go to this bar right here, the normal browser, this is what you should find in your normal browser for Microsoft Edge, right? That's your usual browser. But now, there is an additional function here which completely humiliates and disgraces ChatGPT, in my opinion. Right now, it's free, it's more updated, and it's even faster. Okay, so you can go right here to the top right-hand corner of the screen, go right here, and click on this button right here, this Bing here, this Bing activator right here. Click on it. That's Bing. And it gives you this small sort of chat window right here. It says chat, compose, insights. So choose any of them, guys. This is the mode for chatting. This is the mode for composing like your essays and your long notes. And this is for like insights. Now, the difference is that the insights here tells you more about whatever you're seeing here. Okay, let's say we go to let's say GitHub, right? GitHub, this is my GitHub account. Now once GitHub opens, and then we go to insights, you see that it gives us more details about GitHub right here. So it just helps you like understand what's showing here. So that is what the insights tab does. Now for the compose, like I said, it's for long messages, while for the chat is for short messages, like a chat, right? Basically like a chat. So let's go to the chat right here and see what it can do for us. Let's say we'll just ask anything right here. We can ask right here. You can say hello, like hello, how are you today? Okay, and then we'll send it. Then it responds back after a while. Okay, there we go. It has responded. You see what I mean? It gives you like a real chat, very interactive, and it goes to the point. Okay, so we can ask it anything right here, and it relays the response right away. It says here, can you tell me a joke? All these things, guys, is to give you answers regarding them and even more. It's not like the done chats that we have on most websites, right? This is more improved. Now, the next thing we can see right here is when you ask for anything, let's say, tell me, okay, joke, let's say, right? You're able to stop the response right here, okay? If for any reason you wanted to stop, you can click on the stop button right there and it stops generating the results. So that is how the stop button works on this. Now let's go further. Talk about the compose. Here's where it gets a little bit interesting. You can compose here, blog posts. You can make professional posts. You can make casual posts here. You can make enthusiastic posts. Now these are like post categories in terms of the tone, right? So this is where the post comes up. Well, now the things that you may want to post to be professional, casual, or enthusiastic, or informational, or funny. So this is where you choose the tone of what you're generating. Okay. So now, let's say we want to ask a question, right? Let's say we go right here and we say, tell me a story. Tell me a story. I want it to be funny, right? Funny. And let's do paragraph format. Let's keep it like short story. And now we click on generate draft. Okay. Let's see what happens. And it starts to generate. Now it's writing. It's still writing. If for any reason you want to stop it while it's generating, you can click right here, and this button is for stop, and this button is for copy. Here, this for like regenerate. Let's say it's wrote something I really quite like. You can ask for it to regenerate the results, and it does that with that button right there. This here is the button for scrolling. No, these are the buttons for scrolling left and forth. Back and forth. Sorry, tells you can flip back to the previous pages or go further to future or further pages rather. So that's how it works, guys. So this is quite interesting. You can make an email with it, compose a blog post, generate ideas. So these are like formats. It can generate and stuff for you with. So what's even funny about this is this is completely free, guys. It's free to use. It's free to use provided you have the Microsoft Edge browser. And if you're using Windows, guys, and your Windows is updated, you'll find something very, very interesting as well. So when you go to your browser, your Windows browser, you see right here next to your Windows button in the search bar, it gives you the avenue to use this Bing superpower right here. The Bing AI is right here for you to use. So let's say we had this browser closed up. Let's close the browser. Let's go to our browser here, search bar here, and we'll click on Bing, okay? Bing displays this way, right? Let's click on Bing right here. So it's get started today, Bing. So I believe this, if your browser is an old version, you probably wouldn't have this displaying, but if it's a new version, then you would have this function. So go ahead to update your Microsoft Edge browser and you will have all these functions displayed. Okay, so this is like the full screen of the Bing AI. So let's go here. This is chat, as you can see right here. And it says here, ask me anything. And you can chat with it, ask anything. It gives you the result right away. You can copy the results, stop the generation, regenerate if you like. So these are all functions of like this Bing AI right here. So guys, I hope this video was informative. Please like, subscribe to the channel, and see my next video. Bye for now.